Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the watch face on your Garmin Forerunner 45. So this will include configuring and changing the watch face using the built-in watch faces. If you'd like to download and install a third-party watch face, check the description because I'll have a full tutorial going over that as well. So let's go in and get started. The first thing we need to do is simply hold the up button to bring up the menu, and we're going to use the start and stop button right here to select watch face. So as you can see in here, we can scroll up and down, see all the different watch face templates that are available. So once you see one you like, I'm going to go to this one. Go ahead and select it using the start or stop button. And then in here we can either apply it so that it will be our current watch face, or we can change the accent color. And we do that by selecting accent color. So once you've selected the accent color, you can use the up and down button to cycle through the different colors. As you can see, these colors right here around the different data sets are changing colors. So you have quite a few options. I'm going to do the light blue, and then to select it, we use the start and stop button, and then we select apply. So now that we've selected apply, it has saved it as our current watch face, and we've customized the accent colors. And that's how you change and customize the built-in watch faces on the Garmin Forerunner 45. Again, if you'd like to see how to install third-party watch faces, check the link in the description because I'll do a tutorial over that. If you have any questions about how to do this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 45 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.